Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. For today's lesson is plural pronoun we, you, and they. From the previous lesson, I taught about I, Watashi, you, Anata, he, Kare, and she, Kanojo. Also, I taught about the particles no, which indicates possession, wa, which can be written or can be added after the subject or the noun, and ka is the question particle or interrogative particle. From the previous lesson, I also taught about suffix jin, which can be put after the name of the country to make it a nationality, and also go to put after the name of the country to make it a language. And also from the previous lesson, I taught the Nihongo names of the various countries, also the nationality by adding suffix jin, and the languages by adding the suffix go. And for today's lesson, we will be adding kara, kimashita, and nani to make a sentence. Kara in English is from. Kamashita in English is came. And nani is what. For example, in this statement or in this sentence, Philippine means Philippines. Kara means from. Kimashita means came. Let's read this. Please repeat after me. Philippine kara kimashita. In English, I'm from the Philippines. If you are from America, you may say America kara kimashita, meaning I'm from America. If you are from Japan, you may say Nippon kara kimashita, meaning I'm from Japan. Anata from the previous lesson means you. It is second person pronoun or the one you're speaking with. If we put no with the anata, it means possession. So it means your or yours. Nani means what. Jin indicates nationality. And of course, desu ka is a question particle. So if we try to translate this, what is nani, your is anata no, and nationality is jin. Now, let's try to pronounce this. Anata no nani jin desu ka? In English, what is your nationality? Please repeat after me. Anata no nani jin desu ka? Okay. In this next example, watashi means I. Of course, we always put a particle wa after the subject. Philippine or Philippine is the country. If we add jin, it means nationality. So Philippine jin is Filipino or Philippine nationality. And this, that must be put at the end of the statement. So if we try to translate this, watashi wa, I am, Philippine jin is Filipino. Watashi wa Philippine jin desu. Or in English, I am a Filipino. Please repeat again. Watashi wa Philippine jin desu. What is your nationality? Let's try to translate and answer the interrogative sentences in Nihongo. First, Glenda-san wa Nihonjin desu ka? I'll repeat. Glenda-san wa Nihonjin desu ka? Meaning to say, Glenda-san wa is Miss Glenda, Nihonjin, Japanese, because of this jin that makes it a nationality, and desu ka is an interrogative particle. So if we try to translate it in English, it means, is Miss Glenda a Japanese? Let's try to answer this question. If it's an affirmative answer, we may say, Hi, Glenda-san wa Nihonjin desu. I'll repeat. If it's an affirmative, we may say, Hi, Glenda-san wa Nihonjin desu. Meaning to say, yes, Miss Glenda is a Japanese. For negative sentence, we may answer it as, Iie, Glenda-san wa Nihonjin de wa arimasen. I'll repeat. If it's a negative sentence, or if the answer of this question is no, we may say, Iie, Glenda-san wa Nihonjin de wa arimasen. De wa arimasen indicates negative, or in English, Miss Glenda is not a Japanese. Next question. Kare wa nani jin desu ka? If we try to translate this, Kare wa means he. Nani is what. Jin is nationality. And again, desu ka is question particle. So if we try to translate this, Nani is what. Kare wa is he. Jin is nationality, and ka is question. So, what is his nationality? I'll repeat. What is his nationality? We may answer this by saying, Kare wa Nihonjin desu. He is a Japanese. If he is a Filipino, Kare wa Filipinjin desu. He is a Filipino. Next that I'm going to teach you is how to use the plural pronoun. For the first person is Watashi Tachi, meaning we. For the second person, Anata Tachi, meaning you or all. For the third person, Kare is he. For plural, we just add ra. So, it will be karera, and it means they, and it indicates men. For women, that indicates they is Kanojo, and let's add Tachi, so it will be Kanojo Tachi. If we notice, we add Tachi in every pronouns except for Kare, which is we only add ra. So let's repeat. Watashi Tachi is we. Anata Tachi is you. Karera means they for men, and Kanojo Tachi means they for women. In this lesson, we will also be adding mo, which means also in English. Gakusei means students in English. Sensei means teacher in English. Hai, so this. Yes, it is in English. Iie, chigaimasu. No, it isn't, or no, it is not. I'll repeat. Gakusei, student. Sensei, teacher. Hi, so this. Yes, it is. Iie, chigaimasu. No, it is not, or no, it isn't. Let's try to have this example. Anata Tachi means you, plural. Tachi makes it plural you. Mo is also. Gakusei means students. Deska, of course, with the particle ka, it makes a question sentence or an interrogative sentence. So, anata tachi mo gakusu desu ka? In English, are you also students? Would you like to answer this question? Are you also students? Please make your answer in Japanese or in Nihongo. How about an affirmative answer to this question? We may say, yes, we are also students. How will we translate that? How about a negative sentence? Or no, we are not students. Or for negative, we may say, Iie, Watashi Tachi sensei desu. Iie, Watashi Tachi sensei desu. Or in English, no, we are teachers. Please repeat, Iie, Watashi Tachi sensei desu. Sensei is teacher. Watashi Tachi is plural, so no, we are teachers. Next is the possessive pronoun. To make the pronoun possessive, we just add no to the noun. For example, watashi for first person plus no to make it my in English or mine. Anata is you, second person pronoun, plus no to make it your or yours in English. Kare plus no to make his. And Kanojo plus no to make it her or hers. I'll repeat. Watashi no means my or mine. Anata no means your or yours. Kare no means his. And Kanojo no means her or hers. O to be put in the beginning of a word like namai, which means name, indicates politeness. For example, onamai, and shigoto in English means job. So let's take this example. Kanojo no means her. Onamai wa means name. Nan means what. And again, deska is an interrogative particle. So to translate it in English, it means what is her name? Let's read this once again. Kanojo no onamai wa nan desu ka? Let's repeat. Kanojo no onamai wa nan desu ka? In English, what is her name? Let's try to answer this question. Kanojo no, her, Ana-san, Ana, and this to make it the full sentence. Kanojo no Ana-san desu. Or if we try to translate this, her name is Anna. Let's try to read this once again. Kanojo no Ana-san desu. Her name is Anna. Let's read this example. Peter-san no, meaning to say, because of this no, it is owned by Peter-san. No indicates possession. Shigoto, from this example, means job. So, Peter-san no shigoto means job of Peter-san. Nan means what. And again, deska is a question particle. So, if we try to read this, Peter-san no shigoto wa nan desu ka? What is the job of Peter? Or, what is Mr. Peter's job? Let's read this once again. Peter-san no shigoto wa nan desu ka? In English, what is Mr. Peter's job? I hope you've learned a lot from this lesson. Thank you so much for watching and listening once again. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Also, please click the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos. If you like this video, please share and hit the like button. Until my next tutorial, bye!